Alright, what's up YouTube? Finally back with another video. It's been a good minute, and just thought I'd do a little update on the car. A good couple things have happened while the car's been down. But I guess go ahead and talk about it a little bit. Well, first, during this little time, the transmission blew up in the car. I did make videos and stuff like that, and I started editing and everything else, and then the computer like crashed out on me a few times. So kind of got frustrated and didn't upload shit. But yeah, the transmission blew up. Then I picked up a B16 LSD. When the transmission blew up, I had a GSR. The gear set and the ring gear was fine, and I really wanted to keep that gear ratio because B16 is way too short, and then with the little bit of power that it's making or whatever, it's just gonna eat through the gears and it'll top out real quick. And didn't want that, and then especially because highway 4500, 4000 at 78, 70 is not really good for the wear on the motor, so I went ahead and I put all of the GSR gear set, and I put the ring gear on that LSD B16 diff. Put it all back together, and it's been working fine. The car's been back together for, I would say, probably about 2-3 weeks. So I've just been driving it, enjoying it, and just doing little things here and there. But I mean, that was the biggest issue. So that's in there. It's fixed. It's all back running. Like I said, little things, side markers. I didn't know that the GSR, the twist and the SI center caps fit the 949 wheels. So I got those. I picked up some stock mud flaps for it. Homeboy gave them to me. Oh yeah, most important, the fucking bumpers. The bumpers are back on the car. They came out a lot better this time. And I added the scoop there in the front. But still got more to come, and those videos that I have made, I will try to edit them, and hopefully it goes through this time, because it's frustrating when you start editing for a good hour and a half, 2 hours, and then shit goes wrong, and you can't upload it, and then that's content missed out for y'all, and yeah, y'all don't get to see it. But yeah, it's just a little update video of the car. I guess I'll see you on the next one.